Hey you guys, it's Heather with PassionForSavings.com. I'm going to be sharing with you today how I organize all of my coupons and how you can make your very own coupon box. So this is a question that I get asked all of the time, and I wanted to take a few minutes and show you really how simple and easy this is. It's so quick, and it's my favorite system for keeping my coupons organized and also for kind of making the process a little bit easier. I used to have a coupon binder, which is awesome, but it took so much time to keep up with it, and I was falling behind. I constantly didn't have time to go through it and clean it out, and I couldn't get my new coupons in there and sorted. And so for me, this is a system that I came across about 5 or 6 years ago. I've been using this same box ever since. In fact, it's all broken and everything. So I'm gonna make a new one, and I'm gonna show you how you can make your very own. So the idea behind a coupon box is a little bit different than organizing your coupons in a binder. Typically in a coupon binder, you're gonna organize your coupons by category. So you have one area for grocery, maybe an area for canned goods, an area for refrigerated foods, things like that. What I actually like about the coupon box is that it's not organized by category, it's actually organized alphabetically. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's organized alphabetically, so it has a tab for A, B, C, D, E, and so on. Basically, I organize my coupons by brand name, so Oreos under O. You'll start to see that some of these make a lot of sense. Now, if there happen to be multiple coupons, I typically put it under the most popular, but even if it's a coupon for like Tide and Bounce, I could maybe find it in T or in B. So I can still find it really, really quickly. What I also love about this system is it makes it really easy to clean out my coupons. So I always add new coupons to the front of the area, and old coupons are towards the back. So that way, as things start to be expired, I know that those coupons towards the back are starting to be expired, so when I'm cleaning them out, it's a lot faster process. All right, I'm gonna show you a few things that you need to make your very own coupon box. Okay, the first thing that you need is a photo storage box. So you can get the paper photo storage boxes, those will work just fine. I like these plastic storage boxes because they actually have a attachment so that it closes nice and secure and your coupons don't fall out. It's also the perfect size for printable coupons, which can sometimes be a hassle in a binder. So this is the photo storage box. It has 6 of these little storage containers in there, so that's what you're looking for. I got mine on Amazon. I will give you guys the link for that so that you can go and grab your very own. So we're gonna take these little inserts out because we're not going to use them for our coupon box. Okay, so now I have my empty coupon box. The next thing that you need are alphabetical dividers. So these are actually plastic index card dividers, and they are a poly material, so they're actually plastic and really durable. They are already lettered A through Z, which is amazing because if they weren't numbered or lettered, we would have to do that ourselves. So they already have the letters on there. I'm gonna stick them in my box. Look at how simple that was. Now I'm ready to start adding my coupons. Now that I have that done, I just take all of my A coupons, everything that begins with the letter A for the brand name, stick them behind the A tab, and I'm good to go. I've also found that these little picture keepers that come with the coupon box are great for storing things like ECBs, all of your extra CVS store coupons and things. You can simply place them in the container, and then it will fit nice and perfectly in your coupon box. All right, there you have it, a brand new coupon box. I have all of my coupons inserted in there alphabetically. I also have my cute little picture holder that I'm using to keep all of my CVS Extra Care Bucks and things in. So now it's neat and organized and ready to add more coupons. Don't forget, if you want to learn more about using coupons and how to get started, you can check out PassionForSavings.com. I have a free 15-minute crash course in couponing that will help you get started and show you everything that you need to know. I hope that you'll follow me. I hope that you'll come back, check out some more videos, and have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.